Hello and welcome to Wake Up America, where you get the news that matters.
Yes, you will not hear about your favorite sports team here. Our country is in too much trouble to be worrying about who will be starting quarterback for the #1 college team this weekend.
That's right, folks. Turn off that game and learn what's going on in the world around you. Our topic tonight is the proposed new healthcare system in America and the real purpose of it.
This is a very important subject, Ben. I've heard so many Americans questioning the reason for it and why it is being proposed. But there is reason why it is being pushed.
We were going to try to explain it all and bring people to understand its intended purpose. So, let's begin.
This proposed health bill was written by the insurance companies who have lobbied our politicians into signing it into law. Basically, this bill without question isn't in favor of our well-being or for better health coverage at all. It is simply a way to force you to purchase a policy that puts money in the pockets of the insurance companies.
This tyrannical setup is all about smoke and mirrors. By forcing you to buy this healthcare coverage, it ensures a guaranteed paycheck for the ones pushing it and the billion-dollar-a-year pharmaceutical industry. And it's really something to see our elected clowns get up and try to act like it's all about you.
This ties into the government trying to force their takeover of farms and ranches, so they can eliminate the free market of what kind of foods you want to eat, like organic brands. By taking away healthy choices, you have nothing left but the processed, genetically modified crap they will provide for you.
And what we have is a government that has been bought off by corporate heads and bankers who really do not care about you, and they have figured out a way to make billions off of you. It's simple, just put it all together. If you stay sick and unhealthy, you go in and get to take advantage of this worthless healthcare system that will probably just end up giving you a band-aid for a severed finger or the cheapest solution available.
It's all about more for the fat cats and less for the individual. But your government really loves you, I guess.
I don't know how much more of this madness I can stand. More control over you, it's the name of the game. They cried for years about how so many Americans were doing without healthcare to set the precedent, playing their little con game, only to set the stage for this bill to pass in the future. Now everybody will be forced to buy this. Your only other option is up to a $250,000 fine or serve up to a 5-year jail sentence.
Do you feel free, Ben? I know I do. This is America, isn't it? Or was, anyway.
Healthcare, like everything else, I'm afraid has become nothing more than a business. The best option is take care of yourself any way you can. The drugs they prescribe are an illusion. There are alternative methods to keep up good health. They just aren't telling you because it will put Big Pharma out of business. Like take vitamins, exercise, get plenty of rest, take the time to read those labels and see what's in what you're consuming, grow your own non-GMO vegetables. Pretty much the opposite of what the government or the FDA tells you is good for you. And yes, believe it or not, folks, there is talk of banning us from growing our own gardens. Pretty soon, Stalinist Russia is going to look like a McDonald's playground.
Don't use their prescribed medicine like Prozac or Ritalin. Some of these are dangerous to you or your children's health.
Listen to the side effects they tell you about. These drugs seem to only make your situation worse. How many people flip their lids on antidepressants? Those things are highly dangerous and should be avoided as well.
The vaccination program is a dangerous scam too. Look at all the vaccines they are now pushing, and the ingredients in them: mercury, aluminum, squalene. All these are toxic chemicals they want to shoot in your bloodstream.
And the jackass excuse, oh, the mercury is just a preservative. Even if they used rattlesnake venom as a preservative, that doesn't make it safe to use. How stupid do you have to be to believe this?
I'm afraid people are just falling for it. They better wake up and learn the facts before they just fall in line to be the guinea pig.
More deception, and if you question any of it, you, as always, are labeled a dangerous terrorist by the big news corporation.
Those rascally men in caves are stalking our freedoms again.
Yeah, right. To sum up this episode, ladies and gentlemen, the new healthcare bill, which as of right now is up for its final voting, is just another takeover of your lifestyle to take away more of your personal freedoms.
And like all other insane bills they are passing these days, we urge everyone to research them and contact your representatives to let them know how you feel. Because they will take everything from you before you know it, while you are watching that ball game.
Just remember, the key is take care of yourself the best you can, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Until next time, good night.